No way! Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel as always. Today I'm going to be bringing you an extra special deal today. This is a steal of a deal, you guys. I am so excited about this deal that I was like, yeah, we got to sit down and film this right now. So this is a sale that just launched today from Fragrant Jewels. Now this sale is a limited time offer, and so I'm going to go through all of the details with you, but just know you can't wait too long on this deal because it won't be around forever. Okay, first off, I have to tell you guys that this box smells incredible. So what I did is I went ahead and opened up my packaging in here. I wanted to make sure everything was in good physical shape first before making the video, and they are. Everything looks fantastic, but the smell is so good, you guys. Like, it is making me hungry. That's how good of a smell it is. So if you're not familiar with Fragrant Jewels, this is an online bath bomb, candle, and jewelry company. They have so many different products. I am obsessed with their rings. Today I'm actually wearing one of their rings that I just got out of one of their candles, actually. This is my gorgeous rose gold ring here from Fragrant Jewels. Love it. I wear a lot of their jewelry, and it's so much fun to get a candle or a bath bomb and have a hidden piece of jewelry inside of it. But right now, they have an extra special deal where you can actually get this entire box of goodies for only $40, you guys, which is a steal because normally this would cost $108. So I'm going to show you all of the products. I'm going to break everything down for you as well so that way you can get the best deal. They have some extra things going on their website that you can stack, which is even better. So I'm going to share all of it with you. So inside of your fall bundle, you're going to start off with a candle. Now this candle will be a full-size jar, and this candle is in their famous scent Crackling Campfire. Now apparently this was a huge viral sensation last year. It sold out very quickly, and this year they brought the scent back, but it's only back for a little while. So I knew a lot of the members, a lot of people that do collecting with the jewelry items were very excited to see this back on the market. So you can actually get this viral candle in this collection for $40. This is the 11-ounce candle, and it's made with coconut wax, but it actually has a wood wick in the center to give it that crackling campfire sound. So it does make little noises, it's little pops and little crackles as it burns. The scent on this is amazing. It's definitely got that smokier scent as if you were at a bonfire. You're still getting those like the woodsy notes in there as well. So it's exactly as you would expect. Now hidden inside of this candle is going to be a free jewelry piece. And this is what's really exciting is that you're actually going to receive a free necklace with a pendant hidden inside of this candle. So it's a little bit different. Sometimes we receive rings, but in this case, you're actually going to receive a necklace with a pendant. Now keep in mind that the necklace and the pendant itself could vary from box to box, so everybody's might be a little bit different, but I do have with me here the one that came inside of my candle. So this pendant will feature a gold chain, and then the pendant itself will be this little rectangle here. It's got almost a spider web design to it, so I kind of thought that was unique, but it's very lightweight. The chain itself is also really pretty. I have to show you guys because it's a really smooth linked chain. It does not tug my hair. It's actually coated so well that it's a very smooth link that it's not tugging on my hair, especially those little hairs at the back of my neck because that drives me crazy. So this chain feels solid and it feels like it's gonna last a while, but the pendant's so lightweight that you honestly don't even notice that it's there. So it's a cute design. I like that it was something different. And then because it's so minimalist, I feel like it will work with everything that you wanna wear it with. So it's not gonna be super gaudy or over the top or anything like that. Now I did see online, like I said, these could vary from box to box. You may have a different colored chain. You may have a different pendant entirely. This is just the one that I have in mine. But that's not the only candle you're going to receive inside of this $40 bundle. You're also going to receive their trio candle set. This is the Fall in Love candle trio. So inside of this box, there are going to be 3 candles in here. The scents will be Light My Fire, Don't Stop Believing, and Apple Spicetacular. And I will tell you guys, they smell so good. Now hidden inside of these 3 candles will be more jewelry items. So in these candles, you're going to receive a total of 3 pendants, but you're also going to receive another necklace chain. So there's only going to be a chain necklace in one of the candles, but all 3 will have a different pendant. So the first candle we're gonna look at is Don't Stop Beliefing. This is juniper, warm woods, and musk scented. It is 3 ounces, and we have it in a tin jar here. This is also made with coconut wax, and inside you're going to notice that green color right away, but it will have your traditional cotton wick here. So this one, oh yeah, this is good. Now again, it's very woodsy. You're definitely getting kind of that autumn note to these because it is smelling a little bit more like fall time. So I think this smells fantastic. It's definitely giving me that fall woodsy scent. The next one in here is Light My Fire, and this is also a 3-ounce tin jar here. This one additionally is going to have a cotton wick, but you'll notice it's going to be that bright orange color. This is sugar, melted butter, and vanilla bean. Oh man, we are baking. That is definitely what I'm getting from this. It smells like we are baking in the kitchen. It is sweet. It is yummy. I mean, honestly, this is probably why I'm so hungry. And the last one, which is my personal favorite inside of this set, will be the Apple Spectacular. This is green apple, clove buds, and vanilla scented. It is definitely the stronger of the 3, and it also smells so yummy, you guys. Like, I'm not kidding, my stomach is growling because it smells delicious. So cotton wick, once again, you're gonna get that green apple scent. I do feel like they should have made this a green color just because it is green apple, you know? But it smells like apple cider, you guys. Like, it smells exactly like apple cider. You wake up in the morning, have a cup. It's warm, it's cozy, it's spicy. It's just yummy fall goodness. Now, additionally, inside of this $40 bundle, you're also going to receive 2 bath bombs. So these bath bombs are going to be extra large bombs, you guys. These are huge. And I will tell you, they do an amazing job at dissolving and being super bubbly. Now, you're obviously going to get a huge colored rainbow out of this one with lots of different vibrant colors. This one actually has, it looks like spiced notes. For a second, like if you look at it at an angle, it kind of looks like vanilla bean ice cream. I mean, I'm just hungry, you guys. Like, I can't help it right now. That's what I'm seeing. But you're going to have 2 huge bath bombs inside of this collection as well. Now, all of that would normally cost you $108 to purchase, but you're able to get this box for only $40 if you use my discount code down below with my link, and you have a $50 purchase as well. So if you purchase $50 of anything on their website, you'll be able to get this bundle for only $40, but additionally, they have free gift items with purchase as well. So if you put together your shopping cart, you'll first add $50 worth of merchandise of anything from their website. Then you'll be able to add this bundle exclusively to your shopping cart with the discount code, reducing it down to $40. At this point, you'll have about $90 worth of products in your shopping cart. And then you're going to have a pop-up window that will say you've earned a free gift. Now, those free gifts do vary from time to time. Right now, at the timing of this video, there is a free candle, but there's also a free ring. So you're able to customize the ring size to whatever you prefer, and then add those to your shopping cart absolutely free. So that $90 purchase is still less than if you were to buy this whole bundle at $108. Now, keep in mind that this did previously sell out, you guys. So Fragrant Jewels did this run in October where you could receive a discounted bundle of items for $40 if you purchased $50 worth of product, and it sold out in October. Now, they are launching this here for the month of November, but it is expected to sell out again. So if you guys are interested in receiving this bundle at a fraction of the price, don't wait. Get on it right away. Stack those deals. Get those free bonus items as well. That way you'll be able to get this box before it sells out. So I've got you covered with the link, the coupon code, everything you're going to need down below in that video description box. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. Have fun shopping, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!